how to do this.
Cardiana. I was home with my kid, Mamiana. Real bitch, I don't be with all that drama. Nah, mommy, my business, I'm a bother. Yeah, I ain't dragging, I'm lit like a tick. For clapping back, bitch, I'm clapping on the dick.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna take our makeup off and do a little bit of mask, but I want to include Jose in this because, you know, sometimes you gotta do some pampering with your significant other. But before I get into it, I'm gonna show y'all how I like to keep all of my masks and my beauty products. Like, alright, so this is my Uber Chill makeup refrigerator. This is where I keep all of my beauty products that, you know, go on my face. So it has this cute little handle right here that kind of like opens. And so what I like to keep in here, please don't call me crazy, I like to keep primer in here. So my primer in there, that's just a Makeup Revolution primer that I'm using right now. If I'm not currently using it, I don't stock my refrigerator up with it because it doesn't need to be overfilled. This is my Mix Easy face cream. If y'all have not seen my video on Mix Easy Bomb AF, my Mix Easy face mask is in there. I have this Tatcha under eye cream, and then I have some masks that I got from Target that me and Jose are gonna use in a little bit because he don't ever take care of his skin. And yeah, so that goes in there. Bam, bam. Okay, so the reason I use this beauty fridge is if you've never had like under eye creams or face moisturizer put on your face when it's cold, you are missing out. It just does something extra for your skin. So having a beauty fridge like Uber Chill is really important to me. You can put your jade rollers in there, which I've never tried a jade roller, but I heard it's really well. But you're supposed to use those cold, like face creams, eye creams, masks. They all work better when they're cold. The moisturizers hit different. Your primer that you think you love, sis, that's gonna hit different. Okay, so, and real quick, you know what I always also put in here, because this Uber Chill beauty refrigerator, it actually comes with a cold setting and a hot setting. What refrigerator do you know that does that? I have no idea. Like, there's not one. So sometimes, because I'm switched from breastfeeding exclusively to also bottle and breastfeeding, if I have a little sippy sip and I need, you know, milk throughout the night, Kaylani is a diva and she only likes warm milk, I pop it in the Uber fridge. Pop it in the Uber fridge. So this Uber Chill fridge, this beauty fridge is bomb. But let's get into putting on our oh my god, I gotta take my makeup off. I forgot. Okay, what if we just do Jose mask? I'm not taking my makeup off and such a thing. Oh my god. Babe, come take my lashes off. Come take my lashes off.
Why you can't do it? Listen, I don't even know how to do this.
Come on.
Stop playing.
Take my lashes off.
Fuck.
All you gotta do is pull it off. It's not gonna kill you. Ow.
You do it.
Come on.
Come on now. Come on.
Pull it.
Do it. Come on,
Come on, pull them off. Why you playing? Oh,
can you come on? It's not coming off.
Just rip it off.
It's not coming off.
eyelash coming out.
What?
You about to put my whole eyelid off. All you care about is my eyelash being wet. Ah! Oh, you gonna do this mask, right? I gotta take my makeup off, y'all. I will be right back. Alright, so my makeup is off. I washed my face with my Mix Easy cleanser. I did moisturize my face because I'm gonna use this mask inside of my Uber Chill beauty fridge. Let's see. I low-key want to go for the 24 karat gold. Jose, which one do you want to use? I'm gonna use this one because it says richly hydrating, leave skin glowing. That shit is nice and cold. Okay. Let's move quick. Snap it back. Let's take that open. Ooh, that shit is cold. Ooh. I'm so cold. Ooh. This shit, I'm gonna have to do my edges over. It's okay. Don't get in my eye now, okay? I'll rip the mask. It's okay. So yeah, we're gonna let that sit on for a second. I think it got in my eye. Then we're gonna do Jose's.
Looks stupid.
Hi, Lonnie. Shut up, Lonnie. Lonnie Bear. Bucka bucka boosh. Bucka bucka boosh. Okay, 20 minutes later. Mask is... Oh, wow. My face is gold. Come on, bud, now let me do your mask. 24 karat diamonds in the air. You ready for this luxuriousness? You so aggravated. Alright, so the reason I don't know why people started putting masks and stuff in the fridge or got beauty refrigerators, but I just know that there's a difference. Like, I can feel it. Watch when you put it on, you won't feel it. You ready? Come on, bro.
Fuck on, man.
Don't it feel good though? Right?
I guess.
It does.
Yes.
It does, right?
Yes.
It's like soothing to your skin. Damn, I'm over here crying. That shit was funny. Alright. See, that feel good. I'm literally crying. I can't deal with it. Alright. Then, just let it relax. Daddykins. Relax. Listen to the sound of my voice. Yes, so that's why we use Uber Chill fridge, because it's the perfect beauty refrigerator. It's gonna keep all your stuff nice and cold. You won't put that mask on your face and you're gonna do a but it was a good screech, right? Yeah. Uber Chill for your beauty fridge, okay? And like I said, put some milk in it too in the middle of the night. You know you don't want to get up, put that shit on heat mode. Period. Pooh. All of Uber Chill's information is going to be down in the bottom bar down below, so you guys can check it out and get your beauty fridge. And I love you guys much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.